Let's talk about Somalia's weird shape right now. Somalia is actually a long country from north to south. When you look at it on a map, it's actually shaped like a tilted number 7 or a boomerang. You see, the current shape of the country is further complicated by the fact that this area of Ethiopia and this area of Kenya are part of the historical Somali territory. In fact, ethnically speaking, Somalis refer to this general broad section as Greater Somalia, which includes all areas where Somalis have historically lived. The territory historically encompassed the British Somali Coast Protectorate, which is now Somaliland, Italian Somaliland, which is now Somalia, French Somaliland, which is now Djibouti, the Ogaden region in Ethiopia, and the Northern Frontier District in Kenya. 60 years down the line from independence, there are still lingering questions over whether Greater Somalia will ever unite, or if the shape of the country will remain as is. Like Somalia, long and slender countries almost always tend to be coastal countries. They are long because they could only grow from north to south, as opposed to the usual expansion east to west of many civilizations like the United States. And that is why Somalia is a long country. Get it?